What's up, guys? So I saw something on the internet again and I gotta try it. So we have some Sprite. I happen to get the Zero Sprite. We got some peach rings here and we have a container. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna throw some peach rings in the container, fill it with Sprite, and I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours. So what's gonna happen here is the gummies are going to absorb the soda, hopefully get bigger and juicier, and then we're gonna freeze them. And once they freeze, we're gonna take them out and try them. It looks like the new thing, right? Some videos going viral. I saw this with peach rings. I saw it with gummy bears. But I've always been a fan of peach rings. So anyway, I mean, that's pretty much it. So it'll all be in one video. You don't have to worry about coming back after a day or so. I'll just, fast forward or edit the video together rather. So let's put a bunch of peach rings in here. Not all of them. Let's just do that, about half or so. All right, we're gonna get some Sprite. Man, these things are good, aren't they? Smell so peachy. Oh. Almost exploded on me, hang on. Someone's shaking up this bottle. All right, so here we go. I wanna make sure they're totally coated. There we go. Alright, I'm going to put this lid on, swirl around a little bit, make sure those are all not sticking together or anything. Oh, yep, duh, carbonation, Jeff. But yeah, you guys get the point, right? So right now the regular size, I'll let these soak for 24 hours. I'll edit the video, so in a second here you'll see what they look like, and we'll compare them to the original, see if they got any bigger. Then we're going to freeze them and taste test them. So I'll be back. All right, through the magic of editing, it's been 24 hours, and boy oh boy, these things definitely changed. So let's go ahead and compare one of these new juicy ones with one of the original ones. Oh, definitely seem slipperier, more slippery. That's the word. All right, so let's see. So yeah, I mean, it's definitely bigger. So obviously this has the texture of these. If you never had a gummy ring, go get one. You're missing out. They're delicious. So obviously the sugar on the outside dissolved, but it soaked up the soda. It did. I mean, it's a bigger, just plumper, juicier thing. Let's see. I'm curious about like the ooh, it's like Jello. Compared to this, which I don't think I can even cut I think I can cut this with a fork. Unless I really apply pressure, yeah, I guess I can. But yeah, I mean, gummies, right? Get off there. Let's go ahead and try a piece. All right. Wow. Wow, that's weird. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's literally, it turned into Jello. Like, it's the consistency of Jello with maybe just a little bit more of a bite, but barely. That is very interesting. So yeah, I mean, it jellified. So yeah, I'm gonna line some of these up on this little tray. I'm gonna freeze them because that's the last step, obviously. If you just want to do this is super interesting. You can definitely try this yourself, but it literally turns into Jello. So like, even if you can make these and give them to someone and tell them that you made Jello peach rings, they would believe you made it from scratch. They wouldn't think it was this, but yeah, compared to these, which is very much a jelly ring, right? A gummy of sorts. All right, so there's a bunch on a tray. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the freezer and we'll see what these are like frozen. All right, so I froze some. We have a little of everything, right? So we have the original ones here. Those are just the regular old gummy rings. Then we have the ones that were soaked but not frozen. And then we have the ones that are frozen. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try first. So these are frozen. They're solid. Let's see what that's all about. It's good. Maybe like in the middle of summer, it could be like refreshing. However,
I still really dig them without being frozen. Although harder to grab. It literally is like Jell-O. That's the consistency of this, is Jell-O. Let me actually break that and grab a smaller piece. So here we go. Yeah, that's way enjoyable to eat. The frozen one, not as bad. Although there's nothing wrong with the originals. But anyway, there you go. Wanted to try it. Like I said, the idea of soaking it, you know, in soda. I mean, specifically the lemon lime soda. I'm not sure if it'd be kind of funky if you soaked it in, you know, root beer or, you know, Dr. Pepper or cola or anything like that. I've only seen these videos done with Sprite, like specifically, but I mean, I love just an original chewy, you know, peach ring. People like the idea of it being a gummy because it's chewy. Soaking it, it gets bigger. You do get a little bit of that lemon lime flavor mixed in, but it still tastes predominantly like what it's supposed to. It's supposed to taste like a peach ring, but it changes the texture dramatically. I like the jelly kind of texture. The frozen, not as much. But hey, you know, you guys try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. But that's all. Thanks for watching. Little science experiment, which is certainly fun. I would try this again in the future with like gummy worms or something. That'd be fun. But again, I dig the gummy, the chewiness of the gummy, and the kind of jello-y type version. Not so much the frozen, but that's just personal opinion. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.